So we got another crazy day in the stock market. This time, a lot of the blame is for the oil prices. Um, Pretty crazy time, I guess you could say. My portfolio has just been tanking since all this started. Um, Obviously, I don't have a ton of money in there, being only $500, but just that $500 is down almost $100 total. I think 585, yeah. So it's a lot of money, but I'm not panicking. My plan for this portfolio is to dividend invest. Um, these 10 stocks I have here are monthly dividend payers. So my plan is to put in $7,500 a week every week to put positions into each of these companies, and then once I have a sizable amount, I'm gonna add probably 10 more companies that pay probably quarterly dividends and focus those 10 companies on diversifying and probably lower risk, because some of these companies are high risk, may cut their dividend, we'll see. But that's kind of the plan for Robinhood for me. Pretty much starting now. I think it's a good time to start with how bad the market's doing. In my personal opinion, I think we are headed to a recession if we're not even there already. And I mean, what better time to put money into the market than a recession? So yeah, that's my plan for Robinhood. On this channel, I'm going to try to do weekly updates on what I buy and any dividends that come in, and then maybe a little bit of news here and there. I'm not really sure. And then the other thing I'm going to be doing is investing in Fundrise. So I'm starting with $1,000. I don't think this is cleared quite yet, but they've already chosen my portfolio. So I'll do updates on this when they seem significant, I guess. So anytime there's a dividend, I'll do an update. And I guess if I notice something like news related to this or whatever, then I'll do an update. But most of the channel will probably be focused on this, and doing the updates on that every week. And then this will probably be once every couple of months or so. So yeah, the reason I started this channel though is because I follow a lot of financial YouTubers, and they all seem to have started from having, I guess, financial security, and I would say I arguably am starting from what an average person would be starting from. So what I mean by that is I have debt, I have kids to take care of, that kind of stuff. So basically, I'll be going over what my income, what my debt looks like in a different video, and then kind of explain more in depth what I mean by all that. But I think this would be beneficial for people to see that if you don't have a ton of money, you can still invest and plan for the long term and see some benefits of that. And even if nobody watches these videos, I'm just documenting what I'm doing to help hold myself accountable for what my plans are. So thank you.